Anytime now. Away they go. Chase Charlie from the outside is World Atlas. Sugar Mike running by the row. Winning Hand racing in fifth. One Bahamas. Dreaming again and Mountain Cat. Sugar Mike's now the leader, followed by World Atlas. Chase Charlie is running by the row. Winning Hand racing in fourth by about 2 lengths. And One Bahamas. As they race the last 600, Sugar Mike, Chase Charlie is running by the World Atlas on the outside. As they race the corner, Sugar Mike, Chase Charlie, World Atlas, Winning Hand, One Bahamas. As they race the last 250, Sugar Mike, Chase Charlie is running by the World Atlas on the outside. Chase Charlie, Sugar Mike, World Atlas. Chase Charlie, World Atlas on the outside. But Chase Charlie, World Atlas. And finally, Chase Charlie, World Atlas, Sugar Mike, Dreaming Again, One Bahamas, Winning Hand, and Mountain Cat comes last.